Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Martina, I'm an interaction designer, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create this filter, which is very quick and easy to do, and it basically changes the background of your Instagram story. So that's it. Let's get started. Before you start, make sure that you have picked your different images. So I have here my 4 backgrounds and the thumbnails that will be shown on Instagram. So this is just like the same images but resized. Easy. And now we are going to be opening Spark AR, and we can just choose the background template, and we are going to be deleting the background that they added by default and also the material. Here let's just rename it to whatever we are making the background about. For me it's sky. We are going to be creating the material, rename it, and add a new texture, and I'm going to be using the first image, and I'm going to say no compression, and now we duplicate it with Command D or just duplicate, and we create a new material, Sky 2, we add the second texture, and we say no compression, and then okay. So now we also need to add the thumbnails that we have here. So for that we can just drag and drop to the assets panel, and we also need to say no compression. We are going to be adding in the patch editor the thumbnails so we can play with them and make it interactive. So let's add the different frames here, and we are going to be adding the picker UI where we will be able to select from one image to the other one thanks to the thumbnail that we are connecting to the patch. And we need to tell it that it will be exactly this, because exactly add patch. So we add this option 4 times for each one of the thumbnails. And now you need to replace these numbers and change it to the value that will be coming. So let's start at 0, 1, 2, and 3. And here we have the different elements connected to each other. And now what we need to do, last step, see, very quick and easy, is to connect the background that we created before. And done. And here we have the picker UI, and we can see that it worked, and we can also try it with our camera. And that was it. It's a very quick and easy Instagram filter that lets you change the background. So if you make it, please send me a DM on Instagram so I can see it and try it. I would love to. And if you have any doubts, also send me a DM or comment here and let me know so I can help you. And you can also have your own Instagram filter, which is very quick and easy, and you will see that. If you like this video, consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell so you will be notified when my next video is up. Bye!